I'm gonna close this door, okay?
Okay.
This is gonna be in my way.
You wanna be inside or?
It doesn't matter, up to you guys.
No, you have your berry here, Jason.
Yeah, that's fine. Can I, one of these hoses, can I run water in there?
Of course.
Does that hose,
not
can
that
I?
one, not that
Oh
one.
no, the one.
Oh, that's
yeah,
the sprinkler.
wait, no.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's for the
fire,
for the
yeah.
cooling tower.
yeah, and the cooling tower was shut down. See that?
Doesn't reach, Jason?
No, not really. Ah, it's okay, don't worry about it.
Well, you can go in and hold it.
I don't know, it says that it doesn't go all the way there.
Well, I wanted it sitting inside, but that's,
Okay.
that's okay, that's okay.
You think we can use the one for the cooling tower, Ralph?
Eh?
We think we can
No,
use that?
because you're gonna
Gonna
drain
empty
it,
the-
then you're gonna have a lot of. I can go and get another hose.
It's okay, it's okay.
that is 1 inch. Okay?
This?
Yeah.
7/8.
7 inch.
Almost 1 inch.
So how far did you go?
Huh?
How far did you go?
30 feet,
Okay.
but the blockage was right around, I don't know, probably 12 feet. It wasn't far. But the head I got on here, the head, the head I have on here,
Yeah.
the big head.
Yeah, that's the key there. Yeah, that. See, Sandro? That's the key there. The reamer. Is that a reamer?
A reamer?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
That's the old school. I should get the hose to put it in.
Well, once I take this out, we can just like have the, you can hold the hose and run it.
Okay. There's no rust on that.
Holy crap.
Oh crap.
Let me take a picture of that.
Take a picture, Sandra. Because see that, Sandra? That's what I'm talking about. In different shapes. I seen round ones, Ajay.
Oh,
Yeah, all kind of shapes. See?
yeah.
That will cut through.
Because when we tell these people, they don't believe.
Why would they?
They should, because we
I have a bag here too.
Yeah, I just gotta take it off my cable.
because we trying to get the best interest of the property, right?
100%.
Because we tell them these people, they put wipes, they put hand paper towel.
Yep.
And no, they don't do. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, just hold on.
Sandra, you have gloves?
No.
Okay, let me give you a glove.
It's okay. I'm gonna use Josh. Where is the black bag?
What's your first name?
Open the bag for him to put the stuff inside. That's okay.
You guys can have those. I don't
Yeah.
want.
No, that's garbage, man.
All right.
Deal with the pool.
So let's
Yeah. Just put it there. I can open for you.
Okay.
You want the bag or?
Yeah.
Here's something. That's okay.
Oh, you rich, man.
I just didn't want it inside.
Oh, yeah.
Like, because when you turn it on full, it would blow out, right?
Yeah. I am glad this happened today because we will do the fire alarm. And then if we would, Sandra was saying, hey, if I do the fire, it would have happened on a Saturday.
Yeah. You would have got John. The other guy
Hey,
comes.
so sorry to call you on your cell phone.
No, that's no problem. It's just like, and I don't work for Angelo, right? So Angelo don't know where I am, and especially if you ask for me specifically, I may be on another job.
Yeah.
I may have worked late last night because I was on call, right?
Oh, okay.
So he doesn't know. He can just say, yeah, I'll get him there as soon as. But half the time when people call in, oh yeah, we need a thing right away. It's like, well, I'm not around the corner waiting for you guys to call, right? But so that's why I was saying I worked late last night. I just got to the office. I was doing my paperwork because we do it every Friday. And it's like,
Okay, well, thanks for coming.
yeah, no problem. Okay, I think we're good.
So I'm waiting for we wanted to power wash the lines. You guys gonna do it, I guess, right? For Angelo.
I guess, yeah. I don't know.
So because I know you came with him the last time, or was
Yeah,
it you too?
didn't we do like
Yeah.
all the shower
Yeah,
drains or something? We snaked them out and then we flushed the main lines.
Yeah, 50 by 20.
Yeah, that's right.
But we wanted to do it every